Space travel has always captured the imagination of humanity, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and expanding our understanding of the universe. The history of space travel is a testament to human ingenuity, curiosity, and perseverance. From the early days of rocket experiments to the sophisticated missions to Mars and beyond, the journey of space exploration is a remarkable tale of triumphs and challenges. The roots of space travel can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where early astronomers observed the movements of celestial bodies and pondered the mysteries of the cosmos. However, it was not until the 20th century that the dream of reaching space became a reality. The launch of the Soviet satellite Sputnik in 1957 marked the beginning of the space age, sparking a new era of exploration and discovery. The early years of space travel were marked by intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union, known as the space race. Both nations raced to achieve significant milestones, such as sending the first human into space and landing a man on the moon. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969, which saw Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin set foot on the lunar surface, remains one of the most iconic moments in the history of space exploration. As technology advanced, space agencies around the world began to collaborate on ambitious projects, such as the International Space Station, ISS. Launched in 1998, the ISS serves as a research laboratory and living space for astronauts from various countries. It is a testament to the power of international cooperation in the pursuit of scientific knowledge. In recent years, private companies have also entered the space industry, revolutionizing the way we think about space travel. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing reusable rockets and spacecraft, with the goal of making space travel more affordable and accessible. These advancements have the potential to open up new opportunities for commercial space tourism and exploration. Looking to the future, the possibilities for space travel are endless. Missions to Mars, asteroid mining, and even interstellar travel are all on the horizon. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, it is important to remember the lessons of the past and the sacrifices made by those who came before us. Space travel is not just about reaching new destinations. It is about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The history of space travel is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the drive to explore the unknown. Space exploration has come a long way since the early days of the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Today, we find ourselves in a new era of space exploration, with multiple countries and private companies actively involved in pushing the boundaries of what is possible in outer space. The current state of space exploration is a dynamic and exciting one, with several key areas of focus driving progress and innovation. One of the most significant developments in recent years has been the rise of commercial spaceflight. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the way in making space more accessible and affordable. These companies are not only launching satellites and resupply missions to the International Space Station, but they are also working towards the goal of sending tourists to space. Another important aspect of the current state of space exploration is the continued collaboration between nations. The International Space Station serves as a symbol of cooperation between countries, with astronauts from different nations working together in space. This spirit of collaboration extends beyond the ISS, with countries partnering on missions to explore Mars, the Moon, and beyond. In addition to government agencies like NASA and ESA, countries like China and India are also making significant strides in their space programs. China, for example, has successfully landed rovers on the Moon and is planning to build a space station of its own. India, on the other hand, has made headlines with its low-cost Mars mission and ambitious plans for future lunar exploration. The current state of space exploration is also marked by rapid advancements in technology. From reusable rockets to 3D printing in space, new technologies are revolutionizing how we explore and utilize space. Advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence are enabling us to conduct more complex missions with greater precision and efficiency. As we look to the future, there are several key challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. One of the biggest challenges facing space exploration is the issue of space debris. With thousands of satellites in orbit and more launches happening every year, the amount of space junk is increasing at an alarming rate. Finding solutions to this problem will be crucial to ensuring the long-term sustainability of space activities. Another challenge is the need for international cooperation in setting guidelines and regulations for activities in space. As more countries and companies enter the space arena, there is a growing need for clear rules to prevent conflicts and ensure the peaceful use of outer space. Despite these challenges, the future of space exploration is filled with exciting possibilities. From returning humans to the moon to sending astronauts to Mars, there are ambitious plans in the works that promise to expand our understanding of the universe and inspire future generations. By continuing to push the boundaries of what is possible in space, we can unlock new discoveries and pave the way for a future where humanity is truly a spacefaring civilization. Space exploration has always been a fascinating subject for scientists and enthusiasts alike. Over the years, we have made significant advancements in technology that have allowed us to explore the vast expanse of space like never before. In this chapter, we will delve into the exciting developments in technology that are shaping the future of space travel. One of the most significant advancements in recent years is the development of reusable rocket technology. Companies like SpaceX have revolutionized the way we think about space travel by creating rockets that can be launched, landed, and relaunched multiple times. This not only reduces the cost of space missions, but also makes space travel more sustainable in the long run. Another area of innovation is the development of advanced propulsion systems. Traditional chemical rockets have served us well in the past, but new technologies like ion propulsion and nuclear thermal propulsion offer the potential for faster and more efficient travel through space. These propulsion systems could significantly reduce travel times to distant planets and make crewed missions to Mars and beyond a reality. In addition to propulsion systems, advancements in materials science are also playing a crucial role in the future of space travel. Lightweight and durable materials like carbon composites are being used to build spacecraft that are stronger and more resilient than ever before. These materials not only make spacecraft more efficient, but also reduce the risk of damage from micrometeoroids and space debris. Furthermore, the development of autonomous systems is revolutionizing the way we navigate and operate spacecraft. Autonomous systems can make split-second decisions without human intervention, allowing spacecraft to react quickly to changing conditions in space. This technology is essential for long-duration missions to distant planets where communication delays make real-time control impossible. As we look to the future of space travel, it is clear that these advancements in technology will play a crucial role in shaping the way we explore the cosmos. From reusable rockets to advanced propulsion systems, materials science, and autonomous systems, the possibilities for future space travel are truly limitless. By harnessing the power of technology, we can unlock the mysteries of the universe and pave the way for humanity's continued exploration of space. Space exploration presents a myriad of challenges and opportunities that continue to captivate the imagination of scientists, engineers, and the general public alike. From the vast distances to the harsh conditions of space, there are numerous obstacles that must be overcome in order to successfully explore beyond our planet. However, with each challenge comes the potential for groundbreaking discoveries and advancements in technology. One of the primary challenges in space exploration is the sheer vastness of the universe. The distances between planets, stars, and galaxies are so immense that traditional forms of propulsion are often inadequate for reaching these far-off destinations in a reasonable amount of time. This has led to the development of innovative propulsion systems such as ion engines and solar sails, which offer the potential for faster travel speeds and more efficient use of resources. Another major challenge is the harsh environment of space itself. The vacuum of space, extreme temperatures, and high levels of radiation pose significant risks to both human astronauts and robotic spacecraft. Engineers must design spacecraft that can withstand these conditions while also providing a safe and habitable environment for crew members. Despite these challenges, space exploration also presents a wealth of opportunities for scientific discovery and technological advancement. By studying other planets, moons, and asteroids, scientists can gain valuable insights into the history and composition of our solar system. Missions to Mars, for example, have revealed evidence of ancient water flows and potential habitats for microbial life, raising exciting possibilities for future exploration. In addition to scientific research, space exploration also offers opportunities for international collaboration and cooperation. The International Space Station, for instance, serves as a symbol of unity among nations as astronauts from around the world work together to conduct research and experiments in microgravity. Furthermore, the commercial space industry is rapidly expanding, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the way in developing new technologies for space travel and exploration. These private ventures offer the potential for increased access to space for both government agencies and private individuals, opening up new possibilities for scientific research, tourism, and resource extraction. As we look to the future of space exploration, it is clear that both challenges and opportunities will continue to shape the course of human exploration beyond Earth. By addressing the technical, logistical, and scientific hurdles that lie ahead, we can unlock the full potential of space as a frontier for discovery and innovation. Human colonization of other planets has long been a topic of fascination and speculation. With the advancements in space travel technology, this once far-fetched idea is now becoming a realistic possibility. In this chapter, we will explore the insights and potential challenges of human colonization of other planets. One of the key motivations for colonizing other planets is the need for a backup plan for humanity. Earth, our only home, is vulnerable to various threats such as asteroid impacts, climate change, and nuclear war. By establishing colonies on other planets, we can ensure the survival of our species in the event of a catastrophic event on Earth. Mars, with its similarities to Earth in terms of gravity and day length, has been a prime candidate for human colonization. The red planet has abundant resources such as water ice, which can be used for sustenance and fuel. However, the harsh Martian environment presents numerous challenges for potential colonists. The thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and high levels of radiation make living on Mars a daunting task. To overcome these challenges, scientists and engineers are working on developing advanced life support systems, habitats, and transportation technologies. Another potential candidate for human colonization is the Moon. With its proximity to Earth, the Moon can serve as a stepping stone for further exploration of the solar system. Establishing a base on the Moon would allow for easier access to resources and serve as a testing ground for technologies needed for interplanetary travel. Beyond Mars and the Moon, there are other intriguing targets for human colonization, such as Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Europa is believed to have a subsurface ocean that could potentially harbor life. Exploring and colonizing Europa would provide valuable insights into the origins of life in the universe. While the prospects of human colonization of other planets are exciting, there are also ethical considerations to take into account. How do we ensure the preservation of alien ecosystems and prevent contamination from Earth? What are the implications of establishing human colonies on other planets for the rights of indigenous extraterrestrial life forms? These are complex questions that require careful deliberation and international cooperation. In conclusion, the potential for human colonization of other planets opens up a new chapter in the history of space exploration. By sharing insights and working together, we can overcome the challenges and pave the way for a future where humanity is a multiplanetary species. Space travel has played a crucial role in shaping the future of humanity, and its importance cannot be overstated. The exploration of space has not only expanded our knowledge of the universe, but has also led to numerous technological advancements that have benefited society as a whole. As we look towards the future, it is clear that space travel will continue to play a vital role in our quest for scientific discovery and innovation. One of the key reasons why space travel is so important for the future of humanity is its potential to inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. The awe and wonder of space exploration have the power to ignite a passion for learning and discovery in young minds, encouraging them to pursue careers in STEM fields and contribute to the advancement of human knowledge. Additionally, space travel has the potential to address some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet, such as climate change, resource depletion, and overpopulation. By exploring and colonizing other planets, we can ensure the long-term survival of the human species and protect the delicate balance of life on Earth. Furthermore, space travel has the potential to drive economic growth and create new opportunities for collaboration and partnership among nations. The space industry has already proven to be a lucrative market, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the way in commercial space travel. As more countries and private companies invest in space exploration, we can expect to see a boom in technological innovation and job creation that will benefit economies around the world. In conclusion, the importance of space travel for the future of humanity cannot be understated. From inspiring the next generation of scientists to addressing global challenges and driving economic growth, space exploration holds the key to unlocking a brighter future for all of us. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in space, we must remember the profound impact that our efforts can have on the world and strive to make the most of this incredible opportunity.